Unseen smart gadgets transforming daily life. Did you know some of the smartest technologies that could transform your life remain hidden gems? Yes, while everyone talks about smart speakers and AI assistants, a world of innovative, lesser-known smart gadgets is revolutionizing everyday living, quietly but with massive impact. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 innovative smart technologies you've likely never heard of. They're not just budget-friendly, but incredibly effective at solving real-life problems. Let's dive into these futuristic yet practical inventions that can improve your daily routine. Smart Air Quality Monitor. Air quality inside your home might be worse than you think, but a smart air quality monitor can keep you informed. These devices track pollutants, allergens, humidity, and even carbon dioxide levels, helping you maintain a healthy environment. Affordable options like the AirThings Wave Mini give real-time feedback, alerting you when air quality drops and offering suggestions to improve ventilation. With increasing concerns around pollution, this smart gadget is a must-have for anyone focused on health and wellness at home. Smart plugs with energy monitoring. Let's not forget about smart plugs with energy monitoring. These little gadgets do more than turn devices on and off. They track energy usage and provide insights on how to cut down on power consumption. You can set schedules, control appliances remotely, and optimize your energy use. The best part? They're highly affordable, with options like TP-Link's Casa smart plugs offering premium features at budget-friendly prices. Smart plugs are an essential piece of tech for anyone wanting to make their home smarter and more energy efficient. Smart water leak detectors. First on our list is the Smart Water Leak Detector. Water damage is one of the costliest home repairs, yet very few people know that a small, affordable sensor could save them thousands of dollars. These smart sensors detect leaks instantly, sending alerts to your phone, and in some cases, can even shut off the water supply automatically priced as low as $30. These devices are both preventative and cost-effective. Brands like YoLink offer highly rated options, which are perfect for homeowners and renters alike. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing that even the smallest leak won't go unnoticed. Smart motion sensing solar lights. Imagine having smart lights that only turn on when needed and run entirely on solar power. That's where smart motion sensing solar lights come into play. Perfect for your yard, driveway, or even balcony. These lights not only save electricity but also enhance security. Brands like Litum offer high-quality, motion-activated solar lights that are easy to install, affordable, and require zero maintenance. By using the power of the sun, these lights help reduce your electricity bill while keeping your outdoor spaces well lit and safe. Energy harvesting devices. Next up, energy harvesting devices. We're talking about smart gadgets that capture ambient energy from light, vibrations, and even heat to power themselves, no batteries required. Devices like wireless switches from and Ocean use the energy from pressing a button to generate the power needed for operation. This self-sustaining tech is ideal for reducing waste and eliminating the hassle of replacing batteries. It's eco-friendly and can power various home appliances, creating a truly smart and energy-efficient living environment. There you have it, 5 innovative, lesser-known smart technologies that are affordable, impactful, and can make a real difference in your daily life. These are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the smart tech revolution. So, which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more game-changing tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more smart solutions to simplify your life.